Guys, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have. Okay, so I'm noticing that these are new. They almost look like shot glasses, but they're in the candle section. Okay, then these are new to this Dollar Tree, but I think I've seen them somewhere else. And then here are the Christmas candles. So we have this kind here, the gingerbread, frosted gingerbread. This one says Frosted Wonderland, and they have some more there. Okay, so let's see. I think these are new also. I don't think I've seen these guys. So we have this one and the red. Those are the only two colors. Oh no, and then they have it in this blue. Isn't that pretty? Those are new to this Dollar Tree. Then we have some tapered candles along the top. And I might have shown these candles before. Okay, those right there. And look how pretty somebody stuck a candle in there. So now they have the double. They usually have these in the clear, but look how pretty this is. This is new. So this is the gold. There's the red and the green. Then we have some more wax melts. Let's see. So I wanted to show you these because these are new to this Dollar Tree. These are called aromatherapy. Okay, handmade small batches, and they're not a Greenbrier product. So let's see, that says root, that says third eye rose, heart jasmine, and this one says lemongrass. So they're called aromatherapy. Those are new here. Okay, let's see. So let's see. Butter together. Just beat it. Give peas a chance. Okay, I love these. They're not new, but I love them. Okay, let's see. So we're a little full in the photo section here, but I'm not spotting anything that's new, so I'll just scan that for you guys. This is new. This is ooh la la. That's pretty. What does that one say? Que sera sera. That's so cute. Okay, those are new, guys. So they still have these out. These bee warmers. Those are really pretty. So they still have them in all these colors here. Now, I can tell you this is new. And here they have, well, this one's chipped right here. But they have the yogurt one that's left. Some of the photo easels, and they still have some of these. So they have the Farmer's Market, the Blessed, and Farm to Table, and Fresh Eggs. So I absolutely love these candle holders. So they have these, but then they also have these. They're not as strong looking. I just absolutely love those. So those are new to this Dollar Tree. And then, what do these say? So, love yourself. I came and I saw and I forgot what I was doing. Okay, meditation is hanging out with your soul and my happy place. Okay, so we have some ribbon. And look at this. They have this one in green. Okay, they have some bling wrap. And then they have these butterflies. These butterflies, guys, are a little bit smaller than they used to be. And yeah, that's what I'm noticing there. So then they have some more ribbon here. Unicorn and mermaid ribbon. And then in this section, this is the last of the pearls that they have. I'm stocked up, so I'll wait. And look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this. I like this one. This is absolutely beautiful. That one right there. So this is the first time I'm seeing these two boxes, and then they have that decorative mirror, and then they have these adhesive diamond wrap, but they only have it in the blue and the pink. And these are absolutely gorgeous. Look at these. They are absolutely gorgeous. Let me see if I can line them up for you. Oh my goodness, I think they are so beautiful. Look at those. Beautiful. Okay, so we have this raccoon. Then we have the narwhal. These are little planters. And look, they still have some more of these succulents. So let's see. Everything's just randomly thrown. So I'll try to show you what I can here. Let's see. That's pretty. And I like this one. I like that one. That's so nice. Then Bloom with Grace. That's new. Enjoy Life. Let's see. What does that say? We are getting married. Isn't that cute? Okay, here comes the bride. Some more of those. Okay, so now over here in this bin, let's see what we got here. So we have some faux of these stones, and then some of the moss sheets. Then we have some pebble stones, some sand, and this green pellets. And then here are the seashells. You see how big they are? These are great for DIYs if you like seashells. Then you have some marbles right there, and then some crushed glass in the sea green and the darker green, and some pink. Okay, and then here are some photo mats. Okay, so thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to check out some of their vases and some candles and more. And I'll see you in the next video.